All right, baby. So what are we gonna do on these?
I don't know.
I already told you what we're doing.
Oh.
Can you tell the nice people what it is I told you?
Hold on. Wipe your face, y'all.
Well, good morning from the ridge.
Good morning.
Do you not know what to do with your hands?
No.
All right, guys, we are finally back on the studio cabin build, and we're ready. We're ready to get it. We've had a busy morning already, but yeah.
Yeah, time to get back on this. Hopefully we don't get any more distractions. But it's...
What he means by that is I can't be on Marketplace anymore for a hot minute.
There's that.
All right, guys, we're gonna get you guys set up. We are going to get back to work on this and see how much we can get done today. It may or may not rain, so we'll see. You ready, baby?
Am I ready?
Chop,
I'm
chop.
ready. We'll go to the post, honey.
Oh, jeez.
Which way?
But it's level with the other one, so go that. Down, maybe, on your end? A little more? I guess that's good. All right, guys, so we have all the perimeter posts set and concreted in. We do need to bring in more concrete so that we don't create a pool, but we're working with what we got today. And we are going to use a block in this front because our electrical and our water line runs right where we needed to dig a hole. So not a very viable place to dig a hole if we want to keep water to the tiny house. But that's where we're at, so we're gonna keep on moving. I'd say that's still good.
Okay. So it's showing this corner is square, so we'll start build from this side. That way when we get down there, if it's wonky, it's wonky. All right, guys, we have half a start to a floor. Looks amazing. It's so nice to be able to see progress on the YouTube studio cabin. We are out of 2x6s, so we are ow, that just hurt my back. We are probably going to have to mill some more. We're gonna stop here, go get something to drink, take a lunch break. All right, see you after lunch. that, baby. So what are we gonna do on these?
I don't know.
I already told you what we're doing.
Oh,
Can you tell the nice people what it is I told you?
hold on. Wipe your face, y'all. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is all of these 2x6s, we're not sure, we weren't really counting, but it looks like it's maybe enough fish, probably not. We're gonna flip them back over, then I'm gonna measure up to give us our, we're cutting these at the true 5.5, so they're all there. And some of the small logs we started with, that's all we could get. And now that I'm looking at bigger logs, we probably could have done true 6. But we're gonna flip them up, get them stacked where the good side is down, and then we'll cut them all, because that's what we did with the other ones. So we know every single one of them are right at the 5.5 inch. So the height wise is going to be the same.
And that's important. Why?
So our floor doesn't do just.
No. What are we putting under them that they all need
When
to
we
be?
go to do the foam board underneath it.
No.
Oh, the, you know, holder boards things. I don't
The
remember
ledger
what.
boards?
Yeah. See? You want me to explain? I don't even know words.
I tried, y'all. Okay. Getting stuck on.
They're probably just a little warped. Ugh.
start.
And that, folks, that's enough for one day. So we'll see you when we come back.
Well, we are back at it this morning, y'all. Handsome man's working on the posts in there, and I'm gonna start cutting blocking. So, haha, day 2 of the floor. Bye. Y'all, the sun has finally come out, and I am done cutting all of the blocker for inside. And I was gonna do overkill and like do blocking like every 2 foot, and did a little Google search and followed best construction practices, and it says no more than 5 feet. So we're gonna go 4, which will give us 2 blocking in between each one. So those are all cut, and I wanted them to fit perfect, so I did do individual measurements for each of them. He's finishing up doing the posts, so he's got 1 more to do, and those center posts, they're gonna hold up the cleat ledger board thing. Yeah, that thing. So as soon as he's done with that, we are going to start measuring and cutting for 4 of them. We'll need down each side and then 2 on either side of the center posts. Right, baby?
Yes, everything she said is perfect.
He's so sweet. Okay, now we're going to do the ledger thingamajigger. Yeah. You'll grab that. I'm going to press it. Put it in.
Go down, baby. You tight?
Mm-hmm.
This is the one that'll be interesting. Try snapping from your end. It'll work for what it needs to be.
It will. What do you think of the size, Jake?
That's good.
I mean, for like your cabin.
Been a lot of activities in here,
Yeah?
as Jason likes to say. All the space for activities.
So much room for activities.
Yeah, it's 12 by 24.
I know.
Good job, baby.
Well, you help too.
I know. So we're kind of at a standstill though, because we don't have what we're going to use for the subfloor.
Are you saying I came back at a perfect time?
You did. You did. Because I need to make bread. I need to make noodles. Yeah. So we're going to call it right here, guys. We can't go any further until we reveal what we're going to do for a subfloor for this. And that'll be the next step. I'm pretty proud of us. I think we got a lot done in 2 days.
This is a lot further than we had gotten before, obviously. So
Yeah.
being able to get this much done, and it's all milled lumber, other than the posts.
Which they're salvage post.
Yeah.
So far we have $0 invested in what we have here for this floor. I mean, I guess if you wanted to split hairs, you could charge the cost of the nails, but we already had those.
We already had them, so.
Yeah. All right, well, we will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for being a part, and don't forget to click like and subscribe if you like what we're doing here. Say bye, baby.
Bye, baby.
Say bye, Jake. Say
Bye.
hi.